When anything happens within our life, we act, we react. And the more we react, the suffer we are. Counter all that. But I know that because they are suffer, they have hate, anger. That is why they do that. And so we are not mad. But I did react. When they did that, I did react straight to their face. I said, may you be well, may you be happy and peaceful. With a smile. And this is what we really need in this world. We shouldn't react with anger. Because the more we react with anger, the more we be suffer. Because we are the only one who suffer, not them. They just do the thing that they need, they want, they like, and they left. But we are holding the anger within us. Days after days, years after years. It's because we are not mindful. And mindfulness is always with us. Within us, it's just that we are too busy, that's why we've forgotten it. Mindfulness is the breathing that we have. Every single beings on this earth have. It's not about Buddhism, but all beings have this. Look at that breath going in. Look at that breath going out. Naturally, without forcing. When you breathe in, you're aware of that breath going in. You know it's short, you know it's long. And then when thoughts pop up, we know that, oh, I have thoughts right now. It's thinking about the past. It's thinking about the future. But while we are right now, we need to live in prayer. Our inner child's been crying and asking for help. So much, so long. And yet, we still abandon it. Forgotten it. And that is why when we make this move and it touch your heart. Because at this time, absolutely a lot of people slow down because of our walk. It's not that we are best, but it's because we also walk with mindfulness. And our message is very clear. We're asking everybody to walk with us together and walk with us together towards the DC and to the end of this world, to the end of our life, to make peace for ourselves and our family first. Without family peace, there will be no world peace. I think Americans say it takes work. So to be at peace, we have to be mindful. That I shared earlier within our breath. If we can practice every day when we go work, within 1 hour of working, we just take out 1 minute, drop everything, just utilize that 1 minute, close our eyes and breathe to our breath going in and out. When the thought comes, we acknowledge that as thought, back with the breathing. Just within that 1 minute, that's it. And then come back to work. Get back to work. Another hour pass by, take another 1 minute. Within 8 hours, we have 8 minutes of mindfulness practicing. Right? And throughout the day, we have freedom. Our mind will also be sharp. A lot of students nowadays, they cannot concentrate on their schoolwork. Is that right? Very difficult for them to do their schoolwork because of all the distractions around. And we don't want our future generations to keep going on that path. We've been suffer. We don't want our children, our future generation to suffer the same way. We want them to have a better life, isn't it? Just like our ancestor and father and mother and all those people who have fought for peace and freedom for us to have a peaceful life to live. They have done their part. We should carry on that masses and live peacefully to pay gratitude for their sacrifice. And so now we sacrifice our time, our life to become a role model for our children. Countering here. If everybody live at peace, we don't steal stuff from the others. Do we need to shut our door when we go to sleep? Feel safe. We feel safe around all of the people that we love, and we live everybody that is so peaceful and nice. So why do we need to fight for it? Right? When we live around the good people, the positive energy people, the peaceful people, we don't have to worry about anything. But when they have taught us already, we just have to walk on our own path. Even though that path is very rough. But because of its rough, but we still can walk on it. That makes us different. Receive it. No one else can. And so we cannot expect this world to be at peace without us working on it. So we are here tonight. We respectfully ask all of you here to walk with us to Washington, D.C. Will you walk with us?
Yes.
That is super low energy. I can hear you. Well, I know that but I only ask you to walk in spirit, okay? All we need to do is just practice every day. To be mindful, to have peace for our family first. That is how you support this movement. How you support this walk. That means you walk with us, not us alone. We do our thing, we throw to the universe. It always return to us. So do not throw hatred and anger anymore to the universe, because it will come back to us. So that I say every morning when we wake up, our mind is fresh, and we should do. Get a piece of paper and a pen out. Write out the statement. Today is going to be my peaceful day. Today is going to be my peaceful day. Even though you already memorized it, you heard it many times from me. It's okay. But you still have to get a piece of paper and a pen out to write that down. It's very, very important to have our hand and our head, the job to do, which is our eyes, right? And then after reading it over with our eyes, read it out loud with our mouth.